Hello children, how are you? I hope you all are doing good, right? Yes, in previous class we have completed the block 19 revision, right? In today's class we'll start block 20 revision, children. Block 20 is climate and landforms of Andhra Pradesh. Yes, what is the climate near Andhra Pradesh and Telangana? And we will read the what are the borders near the what are the other states near Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, neighborhood states, and we will learn about the landforms like plateaus, plains, hills, mountains, rivers, everything about this, children. What is located in near Andhra Pradesh, what type of occupation they do, and everything we will learn in this climate and landforms of Andhra Pradesh, children. Okay, everyone open your class book, reader and volume 3 workbook, children. Let's start the today's revision. Yes, student, today's date is 1-4-2021, day 12 revision. And this also I've given two parts, children, in two parts. This is the first part and this is the second part, children. Okay, we'll do first part first, we'll read first part full and we'll go for the second part. Okay. Yes, children, this is the first one part of block 20. Reader, page number 127 glossary, page number 128 match the following. And this is the other bit I've given, and from the reader only, page number 124, the states and the three main regions. First we'll do this bits from the reader, then we'll go for this bit, children. Next for part 2. Okay. Now open your reader, page number 127. 127. Coastal, land near a very large water body. Climate, weather pattern over a long period of time. Landforms, natural feature of the earth. Plateau, a piece of land higher than the rest of the land. Unit, a single thing that is part of a group of things. Next, children, match the following. Telangana, what is matching to Telangana? It's Hyderabad. C. Telugu and Urdu, they are the languages of Andhra Pradesh. So A. Vishakhapatnam, it's a port city. So D. Coastal region. B. It's Andhra. Okay, children. Now page number 124. 124. These bit, children. The state has three main regions. What are the three main regions? Coastal region and Rayalaseema and Telangana. The coastal region is called Andhra. The interior or southwestern region is called Rayalaseema. The northwestern region is called Telangana. Let's see the districts of that. Andhra have East Godavari, West Godavari, Krishna, Guntur, Prakasham, Nellore, Srikakulam, Vizianagaram and Vishakhapatnam. And Rayalaseema, Kurnool, Chittoor, Kadapa and Anantapur. The Telangana have Hyderabad, Adilabad, Khammam, Karimnagar, Mehboob Medak, Nalgonda, Nizamabad, Rangareddy and Warangal. Okay, children. And also stick Telangana state. How you have done for the project work? In this also you have to stick Telangana map and do the map pointing of the districts, children. You can see already you have done in the project work. Same thing you have to stick in the class work once again, and you have to point out the districts, children. Only Telangana, not Andhra and Rayalaseema. Only Telangana, children. Okay, you have to do the map pointing also in this chapter. Okay, in this block. Next bit. Circle the neighboring states of Telangana. Neighboring states, what are the neighboring states of Telangana we have? You can see in the map, children. You have here map, right? What are the neighboring states are there? Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, and you have here Karnataka. Yes, and some more we have. You can see here Maharashtra, Chhattisgarh we have, Odisha we have. Yes, Odisha we have, Karnataka, Tamil Nadu. Yes, same thing will map it here. Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, Maharashtra and Odisha. These are the neighboring states of Telangana, children. What you have to do in this more? Map pointing of Telangana districts. Okay, children. My pointing of Telangana districts also you have to do this also one time. Okay, now let's start the part 2. Second part is volume 3 workbook, page number 23, S4, 1, 2, 3 questions, and here it is the paragraph, and I have given some questions. We'll do this later. First we'll read page number 23, S4, 1, 2, 3 children. Okay, open your workbook, page number 23, volume 3 workbook. Volume 3 workbook, page number 23, S4, climate of Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. Match the following: rainy season, winter season, summer season. June, July to September, March to May, June, October, November, February. Rainy season is June, July to September, and winter season is October, November to February, and summer season is March to May or June. Which parts of Andhra Pradesh do you think receive the highest rainfall? Why do you think so? The Andhra region receives the highest rainfall because it is closer to the hills and oceans. Third bit. Tara lives near the coast of the Bay of Bengal in Andhra Pradesh, and Ramesh lives in the plateau region of Telangana. What is the climate in both these places? What jobs would Tara and Ramesh do in these regions? Tara and Ramesh children, climate and jobs. The climate near the Bay of Bengal is hot and humid in the summer, gets a lot of rain in the rainy season, and pleasant in winter. This is the climate near Tara, where she lives in near Bay of Bengal, and Ramesh lives near plateau region in Telangana. The climate in the summer is hot and cold in winter. Jobs are Tara doing fishing and Ramesh are farming. Okay children, now let's do the paragraph. Read the text and answer the questions. Krishna and Godavari flow through Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, making the soil very fertile for cultivation. Godavari forms a large delta at the coast while entering the Bay of Bengal. During the rainy season, the size of the river becomes large. Yes, children, they are the 4 questions written. We will answer it. Okay. Name any 2 rivers that flow through Telangana and Andhra Pradesh. What are the Telangana and near Telangana and Andhra Pradesh? Which rivers flows, children? Krishna and Godavari. So your answer is Krishna and Godavari. Next, write any 2 kinds of occupation that people of Andhra Pradesh would practice. What are the 2 occupation you can see, children? One is cultivation. You can see the soil fertile for cultivation. Yes, one is cultivation. And other what is there? They are living near the coastal Andhra also. And they are very Bay of Bengal is there and rivers are there. So what can they do? They do fishing. Yes, they can do farming and fishing. Yes. Next, third question. Where do the rivers of Andhra Pradesh gets their water from? Write one source. Where do they get from? Obviously, during the rainy season, the size of rivers become larger. So, from where do they get? They get from rain only. So, what is the answer? The rivers get their water from rain. Simple answer. Fourth one. Write 2 similarities between Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. What are the 2 similarities between Andhra Pradesh and Telangana, children? In before days, Andhra Pradesh and Telangana is one only. So that time we have capital one only. That is Hyderabad. And they both have the rivers flow through their states, that are Krishna and Godavari. These are the 2 similarities. So we will write that answer only here. Okay. Yes, children. See, this is the answer. First similarity is capital of both is Hyderabad. Second is Godavari and Krishna flows through Andhra Pradesh and Telangana. This is the today's revision, children. Each bit write only one time because we are completing one day only whole block. So write only one time and read and write, children. These bits are only will come in the exam. So read and write. Thank you, children.